Ang babae sa Balete Drive. Hi!
Wala, road trip na dyan.
Mura kag aswang may.
Come here, Ellie. Do you like my gift? Do you like my gift? Huh? Do you like my gift? That's mommy. Mommy. Smile.
Where's your monster bag?
Where's your monster bag?
Nasa kwarto.
I gave that. Let's go. Let's get the monster bag. Where's your monster bag?
Hanapin mo sa mess mo dyan.
Get it.
Oh, alam niya, monster bag. Oh, di ba? Kaila siya.
Oh, there's two. You like it?
Muna.
Wait, it's Sophia the first. It's Sophia the first. You know Sophia. Sophia the first man.
Kaila siya siya monster bag.
Look, muliok lagi siya. Awa. Niliok lagi siya giyahaday.
Ano, pag buong-buong dira ha?
Promise! Uy, kapag akong giliho.
Ay, buong-buong nga dira.
You like it? Wow. The hair is messy. She's going to sleep.
Hindi ko
Oh, high five.
video.
Oh, how about me? High five. High five. Yay.
Siya mo duol. Kaila siya siyang monster bag.
Yung namay na ako naghatag.
Oo. Tinang was the one who gave you that monster bag, manak. Where's the monster bag?
Oh, sing jingle bells. Jingle bells.
Sleepy daw sila.
They're sleeping.
Quiet, quiet. They're sleeping.
So who's this? This is like the copper.
That's her, friend.
This is your friend? Who's your friend? Among the four. Oh. Can I have this? Ellie?
That na.
Your sleepers.
Wala mo nagigita mo sa baba. Is this mine? Can I have this? Is it mine? Asa si Tigger?
Feet daw.
Feet! What is this? What is this? What is this? This one, this one. High five? Ah, you'll go high five.
Nice signal mo.
High five! What's this? What's this? High five! There. Align, align, align. Align. High five! Both hands. Very good! Clap! Huh?
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Unicorn.
I'll have this one.
Happy birthday. Na-video ko yun. Na-videoan ko yun. With that. Pwede ka magyaya dari, B.
Ako biyayaan.
So, una mo, pero bila siya diri, no? Pag-board.
Nailhan ka niya.
Descent.
Uy, uy, ako.
So this is our food. Wala, oy.
Paano kitag na akong dala?
Ay, what's new?
Diretso magud ang sakyanan. Dami na dala siya.
Ikaw, Jug, ay. Ano, Jug, kung ba't influence yung kayo ka?
Balloons give.
Yeah. But I'm proud of my dirty hands.
You want McDo or Jollibee? Huh? AB song daw.
B song. Let's vote in. Ellie, let's go. Let's go to Jollibee. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Bawat mo na, baby.
Let's go
Don't
to
take
Jollibee.
promises you can't make.
Uy, mahilak kay Naday.
Let's go. Let's go to Jollibee.
Bye-bye.
Uy, ginatuluan na natin mo siya lying ba?
Bye-bye.
Say bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We never
Flying kiss, flying kiss.
Jollibee, ha?
Flying kiss.
Yan, hindi ka mag-doon.
Okay, you want to go to Jollibee?
Advantage mo na.
Ano kang nagkuhan may? Nagpanty.
Nagpanty lang dito.
Panty din na.
Dali, ay, Charla.
Try daw i-full beam, Nick. Kung saan dyan yung full beam. Ayun natin kasukat.
Pag-light na may. Tuloy-tuloy lang ba ako ng video? Gosh. Pinalapas na ka. Change to Rihanna. Charot. Mana, okay na to? Oo.
Okay na?
Judas. Uy. Judas. Hoy! Saan na?
Oreo cheesecake.
Oreo cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake, and
Donut.
white almond. Okay, taste test. Rate it. Out of 10. 8. 8. How about yours?
Yeah, it's yummy.
Rate it out of
8
10.
out of 10.
Kani, di ba?
Oh.
Yan ang Oreo cheesecake. 8 out of 10. So, I will taste this Oreo cheesecake.
Rate
7. 7 out of 10. Ha? Siya nagtanggal. Uy, nga ako. Nagkasyag na ako. Let's go.